Hi there and happy Mother's Day. So we learned in the previous two videos how to find the surface area of this cuboid and how to find the volume of this cuboid. The third skill that you need to learn today when you deal with prisms or 3D objects is drawing or sketching a net. Okay, to start the drawing, always I want you to start with the face that is on the floor. The face that is sitting on the floor, which is this one here. So, it is a rectangle. Let's imagine that this is how it looks like. The most important thing when you draw this, write the dimensions. So this is the 7, this is the 3. Every two opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. So this is 7, this is opposite to this side, so it is 3 as well. Then I want you to imagine that the left side here is actually falling on the floor like this. So from here to here, it's going to be 9. And from here to here, when it falls on the floor, it's going to be 3. Let's draw this rectangle here. So this is 9, this is 9, this is 3 as well. 3 and 3. And then I want you to imagine that this front face is falling on the floor as well, like this. So this length here, from here to here, is the 9, right? So this is 7, this is 7, this is 9, this is 9. So when these two sides stand up, they're gonna meet together. So it makes sense, right? Perfect. So 1, 2, 3 faces. If this is the left side, so this is here opposite to it is the right side. So you draw an identical piece to this one. So, and you take the exact same measurements of this face. And here, if this one stands up, opposite to it is going to be the back face. So you're going to draw an identical piece to this one. So it's something like this. So, and you take the exact same measurements, take 9, 9, and this is 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. The sixth face, because a cuboid has 6 faces, it's going to be the top. So front, back, floor, right and left side. The top, this is the top, is the exact same as the floor. So you're going to put it from this side with the exact same dimensions. 7, 7. If this is 3, this is 3. So this is our net. So let's summarize it. Perfect. So this is the floor. This is the top. This is the left side. And this is the right side. This is the front. And this is the back. Now, can you find the surface area using the net, consider the net as a 2D object and find the area of each shape in it, of each rectangle in it, and then add them. So you're going to say surface area is equal to, what is the size of this one? It's 3 times 7. And I have 2 pieces of it, so 2 plus. What is the size of this piece? It's 3 times 9. And I have 2 pieces of it, so it's times 2. Plus, what is the area of this piece? It's 7 times 9, and I have 2 pieces of it. And if you carry on with the calculation, you're going to end up with the exact same surface area that we found, which is 22 centimeter squared. I hope this is clear, and thank you so much for watching.